Okay, there's number 3. Either that one's really big or she just pushed 2 out. I can't tell. I really certainly can't tell. That's 1 or 2.